Importance of delegation. Importance of delegation. Delegation ensures that the subordinates perform tasks on behalf of the manager, thereby reducing his workload and providing him with more time to concentrate on important matters. Effective delegation leads to the following benefits. Effective management. By delegation, managers pass their routine work to their subordinates. So, they get more time to concentrate on more important matters. This will help them to excel in new areas and be more efficient and effective. Employee development. In the process of management, the work is passed on to the employees. This gives them opportunity to use their talents and increases their experience. It makes them better leaders and decision makers. Thus, delegation helps in preparing better future managers. Motivation of employees. When a superior passes on the responsibility to his subordinate, it is not merely sharing work but also sharing trust. This develops a feeling of belongingness and commitment for the subordinate. It improves his confidence and he feels encouraged to improve his performance. Facilitation of growth. While passing on a responsibility and authority, managers have to take care of the qualification and capability of the employee. This division of work and specialization provides a ready workforce to take the leading position in a new venture and thus help in the expansion of the enterprise. Basis of management hierarchy. Delegation establishes authority, responsibility, relationships between employees. The degree and flow of authority determines who is to report to whom. It also decides the power enjoyed by each job position in the organization.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.